Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your language on LATOKEN account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in latoken.com inside the search box. Once you end up in the official website of LATOKEN, go ahead and click on the sign up link at the top right and make sure to enter your login credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged into your LATOKEN account, from the first homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the flag icon at the top right. Now select from the choices of language you would like to change to for your display and click on it. Soon after you click on the language, you will be able to see that you've successfully changed your display language for your LATOKEN account. So that is how you can easily change your language on LATOKEN with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.